Hello guys, we meet again. In this new Gimp video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create or apply a masking using a brush tool. If you watch my previous video, masking is where you use a technique where you want to display only one part of your image and hide the other area of your image. In this sample, I use my nephew here. I just want to show or I want to display my nephew face and the ice cream he have here, and I want to hide the background, this paper, and the restaurant background here. So in this first video, I'm gonna show you how to create masking, like I say, using brush tool, because I think brush tool is easiest way to create a mask. So click on. First, you need open the image and right click and choose add layer mask, or you can rename the layer and add layer mask here. Right click, choose add layer mask and pick black for transparency. Click, check the circle here and then click add button, and the checker background here will appear, and click on your paintbrush tool. You need to switch the black and white color here. You need to move the white color to become foreground color. So just click on the little arrow here. Just make sure the white color is above of the black color, or set as a foreground color. And you can just choose a brush type and maybe increase the increase the size, and I want to choose pen shader, so it like dynamics, is like it move all the time you start to painting on canvas. Let's try like this. I want to maybe change like this. You can be creative by changing the brush type, like I'm use here. Okay, I think it's enough. I just want to show you how to create a brush and create a masking technique by using brush tool. Just play with the brush type here, and then I will bring I already have a background here, so the transparent will replace by this new background I have, like this. Okay, I think it's enough for now. And if you're happy with the result, you can just click on this layer, the main image layer, and click apply layer mask. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon. Bye.